One of my favorite things about Chalk Couture is the fact that you can redo designs on the same chalkboard. I love to decorate for the holidays, but I don't want to have to store every single thing. So this system is perfect for me because I can wipe the board clean and do a new design that suits my taste for the next holiday. You can see that on this one I'm choosing red, white, and blue because it is time for patriotic decor. Memorial Day and 4th of July coming up, and so I've picked this vintage camper and truck with some 4th of July fireworks in the back of the truck and in the sky. I'm also just putting America across the top in some ombre. That way it really can stay up even longer than 4th of July. But the great thing again is that when that season is over, I don't have to put this board away in a box. I can simply wash it off and get ready for fall or whatever next thing I want to do. This system is so fun and so easy. It allows you to be an artist even if you don't feel crafty. So message me to find out details about how you can make beautiful things like this too.